This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25 XLW is a Class C RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer 25 XLW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Dual Wheel Cutaway 3500XD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.